Hi there. So after this video you can turn these images into something like this, and here are some more example how you can edit these images. So first of all, open the image and the raw file will look something like this. So you can see the image are not that much good looking, so we have to adjust the color contrast and the brightness according to the images. So as a set of image which taken same time, so we'll do some adjustment. You may need to adjust the temperature also for few images. Okay, so what we will do for this, we will bring down the highlight and make the shadow bit more bright. Okay, as you can see it's pretty much good looking right now. So we also do the optics correction, remove the chromatic aberration and profile correction. So after that I will just copy the settings and we'll paste it for the same images that's taken the same time. Okay, as you can see it's looking pretty okay, but this image is too bright, so you may get 5 set of image for this, and you can skip the too bright and too dark image. As there is no window pool, no scenery outside of the window, so we can skip this dark image, and I am using that image as a secondary image. So we are only using two image, too bright and too select. Select them both and open it on Photoshop. Okay, it will open in two separate layer, and I will place the little less bright image on top of the very bright image. Okay, after that what I will need to do is go to the channel and select the RGB by Control and pressing the RGB. Okay, you may not find these options. What you have to do is go to the window and workspace, then reset to essential. Okay. And we will back to the layer, then press Shift F6. The window will open for the feather and give it a value of 100. Okay, after that you have to press the mask option. What it will do is it will just take the very bright part from the font image and hide the darker part. As you can see, after selecting the both image, we will make a copy from it by Ctrl Alt E. By pressing Ctrl Alt E, okay, as you can see the wall is white actually because of the color cards is looking a little bit on the blue side. So let's see how to edit the wall. So for that you have to select the walls very accurately. Obviously it may take some time for this image because of the very over number of the furniture and the wall, so I'm fast forwarding it. Try just to keep the wall. So after that we will go to the image adjustment and replace color. Okay, and we will select the cast color, the color which is not matched with the wall, so we'll make it white. And as you can see it's looking too dark because of the white color reflects more light and it should look more bright. Okay, so we can use the dodge tool, highlights and shadows to make some brightness adjustment. You can play with it and just get enough bright to your preference. But don't make it over bright. Okay, as you can see it's looking way better than previous. So that's how you do the white color wall. Okay, everything that is similar to white or closer to white, we will do these steps for the images. Okay, So let's assume it's not a white wall. Okay, so what we will need to do, just again we will copy and paste the wall. So for every color house wall, the ceiling will be the same white color. So we will select the ceiling and make a different layer for it. Okay, after selecting the ceiling, I will make a copy of that one. As you can see, the ceiling and the wall are different. So as we will color the wall, so we have to remove all the objects from the wall, and you have to select it very carefully. It may take very long amount of time. So as you are a photographer, professional photographer who is shooting photos as a profession, so it may take too much time for you, and you can hire freelance worker who will do this editing work for you.
As an experienced person in this field, I also do provide these services. We have a skilled team set up to deliver your images as soon as possible. We normally charge $1 or $1.50 per image depending on the difficulty of the tasks, and we deliver within 24 hours.
So we will select all the objects that are not going to be our wall color. Okay, and by hiring freelance work for editing, you can save a lot of time and you can boost your productive work. For a better result, we also need to remove the every small object also, like the fan. And don't forget to remove the painting and other stuff which is not the wall, obviously. So I'm removing the other stuff also. So we already selected the wall, so let's assume this is the wall color, and what I will do is select the brush and make the blend in color. Okay, and I will just brush it over the wall. Obviously I have to select the wall by control pressing the layer, which one is the wall layer. Okay, after making the color, as you can see, it's not looking enough bright or not enough inviting. So I'm using dodge tool to make it more bright and more eye pleasing, also removing all the colors cast from the ceiling. Make it little bit bright also by using dodge and shadow tool. So I'm removing all the color casted from the painting. You may not have to do this for your image, but I am doing it for this image because it was also color casted. Okay, after that, as you can see, there are some color cast over the wall and other stuffs, so we will just add the color to it by using brush and the color overlay, and we will adjust the color of the sofa and the other furniture also. It's affected by the color cast a lot, so we will just adjust it. As you can see, it's looking a lot better, so I'm fast forwarding it. Also you may have changed the color to the floor or the mat.
So I'm following similar steps for the mat also. After adjusting the map, we will select the all layer and make a copy by pressing Ctrl Alt E, and we will do some minor adjustment, little adjustment, just to make it a little bit better by using dodge tool. Here we go. That's how you can edit your real estate HDR images. So if you like the video, just press the like button, and if you want a series for this, just comment it down. I will make a step-by-step series for you from the very beginning of Photoshop. Okay, and thank you for watching.